Righto, so just finishing off this sample assessment. The questions at the end are always basically the same. Show us how you've done your files and folders and stuff, and then there'll be some random general knowledge stuff at the end. So organise the files you've used and those you've created into folders so they can be found easily. So at the minute it's all a bit of a mishmash, so I need to make some more folders to organise things. So I might do presentation folder, put all the stuff for the presentation in there. And then do web, the web question. That would be task 3 was in there. Do one for feedback. You don't have to organise things in this way. Just create a few folders with names that show some kind of logical, some vaguely sensible categorization. And the other ones were mail merged info slips, weren't they? So I'll do a print screen on that. Just download this evidence document. It's on a bit of a go slow, so I'll just skip straight ahead to the next task. Wildcards. So no one really uses wildcards anymore, but if you want to search for in the olden days, if you wanted to search for all your documents, you'd search for star.doc, and that would bring you all the files that were documents, and it still does, but we don't tend to use the searching quite the same way as we used to. And that star just meant any characters at all can go before. So basically a star represents loads of, or any number of characters, and it doesn't matter what the character is. A question mark just represents one character. So question mark.doc would only bring you files that something like a Word document called 1, or the number 1, or a Word document called A. They wouldn't bring you any Word documents with more than one character. So I'll just do an example now. If this is my name, then you might guess that I'm called Dave. If this was my name, then it could be any number of characters represented by that star. So it could be like Denise or all kinds of things. So that's wildcards. They kind of take the place of other letters and digits. I'll just go through the other things here. That means greater than or equal to. It's not a wildcard search. It's a comparison operator, which you'd use in Excel or Access. This is less than or equal to. Not a wildcard. And this dollar is a dollar. Also, you use it sometimes in Excel to pin a reference to a particular cell. So you use that in absolute cell references. But that's the one on. Okay, so I think it's finally opened my document for task 8. So I'll paste my first screenshot of there, showing the folders, and it also wants to show wants to see the contents of one of the folders. So I'll do this one, for example, print screen that, and paste it underneath. Save that, close it, just check. Screenshot to show the folders you created, yep, and another screenshot to show the contents of one of the created folders, yep. And then, so I've closed it, so it will upload if I was doing the real test. Click on upload, choose your file, OK. see if there's anything else. End of the test. Happy days. Hope this has been of some use. Thanks for watching. Bye. Just when you click finish, actually thinking about it, this always pops up. So don't be freaked out if you've done all the questions and you've checked and you've read it through and you've checked and all these are coloured in, which means you've done something for them. Then you would click finish and it would warn you. But if you're really definitely happy that you've completed it, you click exit and that would be your test complete.